Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and download digital files from Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're going to access your particular Etsy app on your mobile phone. So basically there are two ways you can do it. First, let's say when you go to your basket and currently we do not have any items, we can go to home, and let's say we choose ourselves a particular product, and we're gonna tap on that product, and then we're gonna tap on this add to basket option, add to basket, view in your basket. Once we are here, we tap on this proceed to checkout, and then now we're going to enter all the information, include and tap on this continue to payment. Once we add on the payment and then checkout section, we will find this order history of ours, which will include this option of download little icon. Once you have tapped on it, it will show you again our purchase history. To recheck the information, once you have confirmed it, we will be able to download it, and the downloaded file will be saved to your mobile phone in the downloaded section. Other would be, you can cross this out, go to home, tap on U icon below, and go to purchases. Here in the section, once you have found your particular purchase history, in the purchase items and beside, you will find this option of a download file literally written on the blue box. You can go ahead, tap on it again, it will reconfirm that download, and then that file will be downloaded to your gallery just like that. So that is the way you can access and download it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.